Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable autopilot investing on M1 Finance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable autopilot investing on M1 Finance, begin by launching the M1 Finance app on your device. Log into your M1 Finance account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Invest icon. Next, locate the portfolio that is currently set to autopilot mode. Tap on that specific portfolio to open its settings. Look for the option labeled Autopilot within the portfolio settings. Once you find it, tap on Autopilot to access its settings. In this section, there should be a toggle switch for enabling or disabling autopilot investing. Switch the toggle to the off position to disable autopilot investing for that portfolio. After disabling, make sure to confirm any prompts that appear to save your changes. Now, return to your main portfolio overview to verify that autopilot is turned off. You can still manage your investments manually from this point forward. Explore your investments and customize your portfolio according to your own strategy. Remember that disabling autopilot means you'll need to handle your investments actively. Take your time to understand the assets in your portfolio and how they align with your goals. And that's it. You successfully disabled autopilot investing on M1 Finance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.